Sawdust. What do you do with sawdust? This is not the ideal system here, but it's the only one I got right now. Those two boards are a pain. But other than that, build you a box for whatever size forks you have on your tractor. Sawmill shed you have. And carry it away. That'd be about as far back as I could go. Not too far. Never piss into the wind. Never tug on Superman's cape. Never shovel sawdust into the wind. And don't mess around with John. Big fat John. Alright, so that pile's not all sawdust under there. That's all the bark scrapings from the log yard I scrape out here so I can mow, and they pile up out here too, but this will all rot down in whatever 10 years, and then you just scoop your sawdust straight out the end. Boom, done. And that's it. I'll get the other one, scoop up a little bit off the ground in the sawmill shed, and there it'll either blow away or rot. Looks like most of it's blown away today.